guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julia, and on this channel we talk about faith, family, business and passive income. So in today's video I am going to be telling you 2 ways by which you can make money on Canva app. I made an introductory video about Canva, and I'm going to leave the link to that video in the description box and in the comment section. If you haven't seen that video, I suggest you watch that video and come back to this one so you can understand it very well. So let's get right on to this video. Okay guys, so first of all, you log into Canva either through the app or through Google. And when you log into Canva, you come to this place where you have learn. You click on it. It will open up like this, and you scroll all the way down all the way down to this point. Now you see here that they wrote company, about terms, privacy and all that. Then you come down to contributors. Okay, you click on that, it will open up. Now the contributors is all about a channel through which people sell their photos, stickers, videos, pictures, graphics, whatever it is you have on Canva. Okay, now all the images you see on Canva, both the free ones, the paid ones, are people's work that they are making money from every time you use them on Canva. If you have graphic images, you have templates, stickers, photos, videos, whatever it is that you feel that people will need to use in their work, you can sell them through this contributors platform on Canva. Now you scroll down to how does it work. There are 3 steps to this. First, you sign up. You become a contributor with a single click. Hobbyist or pro, it doesn't matter. They said we'd love to have you. Now first of all, after signing up, then you begin to upload your work. Okay, either individually or as a collection. You upload your work, they will review it, and then they'll get back to you within a few days. Thirdly, you start earning. Time people use any of your items that you have uploaded through this channel on Canva in their designs, you earn from it. That is the first way that you can earn on Canva, by being a contributor. Okay, now guys, the second way that you can earn good money on Canva is by joining Canva's affiliates program. Okay, now you come to this place where you have company, you click on the affiliates program, it will open up like this. Okay, now earn money with Canva Pro. Okay, here they have a video showing you how it works, and then if you want to join, you can just click join now. Okay, now let's see what Canva's affiliate program is all about and how it works. Now first of all, they said register as an affiliate. Now people earn money by registering to become Canva's affiliates. You have a link which you will give to people, and each time people subscribe for Canvas Pro, then you earn good money. And the kind of money we're talking about here is like $36 for each new Canva Pro subscriber that signs up using your unique referral link. Now the payment options are flexible and regular, so it's a good way to earn a passive income. Okay, now first of all, you have to register as an affiliate and then promote Canvas. Every time you recommend to people to use Canva Pro, you give them your link, they use your link to log in and sign up for Canva Pro, and you earn $36. Now let's scroll down and see how this works. Okay, they said they have simple, timely payments, and then they have emails and live chat support to help you to earn more commissions trouble-free. And then you are able to have a way to track your results. You have your dashboard where you can track your results, and you'll be credited within 30 days of the first click on your referral link. Okay, let's click on this join now. Let's see what opens up. Okay, this is it. Welcome partner. And first of all, you have to create your impact account. The affiliate program is run via Impact Radius, so you have to create a new account if it's your first time using Impact. Now after that, you get started on your affiliate program. You'll have a unique link given to you which people use when you recommend it, Canva Pro, to them, and they sign up. Now this is the form. You complete the form, put your full name, your email, username, password, and company information, sign up the agreement, schedule, and all that, and then you sign up. So that's it. These are 2 ways that you can make good money on Canva. Hello guys, welcome back. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. You're going to be having loads and loads of videos, at least 2 videos every Thursday and Sunday coming up on this channel. I hope you try out what you've learned today. There is no harm in getting some extra income for yourself. Okay, so Canva is a trusted platform where you can sign up. I am personally going to sign up for the affiliate program, and I hope you do too. Until the next video, stay blessed.